Hi and welcome back to the series. Today in this game I am going to be adding inventory and I'm going to make the upgrade store actually usable because currently it has no menu, and I'm going to be adding like maybe a tool system, but let's get into it. So first, I've got an idea, because this, it would look much better if it was like see-through. So if we go over here and go color white, and then never saved it. Now it's just gone. So when you go into things and then exit, it's just it looks cleaner. And let's also add, let's now add the inventory. So let's go let inventory, I spelled it wrong, inventory, and this is going to be for carrots. Let inventory S, that's for seeds, so equal 0, equal 0, and then let ICM for max inventory for carrots equals 5. Let ISM equal 10. And so those are the maximums. And then so if we go, and then up here, let's go, so money, carrots, out of, let's just make it out of ICM, and then out of dollar sign, and then ISM. So let's just change this to inventory seeds and inventory carrots. So now we're gonna have 0 carrots out of 5, rather won't actually change anymore. So let's make it so this changes with the inventory. So each tick, inventory C equals carrots, so carrots, and then inventory S equals seeds. So if we start and then buy some carrots from buy seeds, it goes up, but there's still no maximum. So if I get to the max, it will just keep going and keep going. So what we need to do is where you can harvest, where is that? Harvest. So if we go over here, just put if inventory, let's just go IC because that's easier to write over and over again. So IC, IS and IC. So let me go back down, and over here just IS and IC, IS and IC. So over here, if IC, IC is greater or equal, is less or equal to 9. And then this will happen because, and then otherwise inventory is full, so we'll not do it. And then we can buy seeds. It will check if your inventory is full before. So if, do I have caps lock on? No. So if IS is greater or is less or equal to, how much is it? Oh, this one's 9. And then down here, wait, so let's go ICM minus 1. And then over here, it'll be, oops, where is it? So ISM minus 1. So now, nothing works at all, of course. Inventory C is not defined. Where is that? That is 146. So if we go over here, 146, and then, oh yeah, let's just go IS and IC. Now if we reload it, it should work perfectly. So if we go by, okay, oh, this one's because we haven't even added the, so now if we do it, it should work. So go down here, buy the carrots. Why is that not working? Is not defined. 108. IS. So now it will hopefully work. So buy carrots, buy seeds. So let's say buy seeds, yes. And then plant seeds. Let's just see if it works. So it'll, if max. And now if we go down and buy the seeds again. I said buy the seeds again. Oh, sell carrots. And now if I buy the seeds. And then grow my carrots. Plant seeds. I shall only be able to pick up half of the carrots. So it's just be 5. So if I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so it's not going up. Now if I sell my carrots and go back up because I still have more carrots, it has 5 carrots. So the inventory works. Now we just need to make the upgrade shop work. So if we go over here and go like up C and just add that and up D even. So if we go, so if I change this to up D, and then if I go down here, and then if I go function up D, and then if I do the stuff, which I'll do now. Okay, I've done all the this, but now what we need to do is, so up here, the menus, we need to add const, I added menu C equals documents dot get elements by ID, and then, oops, those two. Then if I go over here, let's just copy and paste this, Chelsea, and then here we go. Let's get rid of these extra spaces, and let's make this is menu. So U menu, and then menu, just a menu, yeah, by C. No, it's gonna be, if I skip this text, and then let's go over here and skip this text. let's go +2 seeds max, +2 seed max, and then down here +2, just +1 carrots max, and how much it costs, which will be $10 because that's gonna be decently expensive, and this one is gonna be like, yeah, $10. And then if we go to class, change this one back to menu A, just get the actual good looks, and then 2SM, this will be 1CM, 1CM. So now, save this, yeah, so then go U menu, so it's all showing. That's what it'll look like, which is actually pretty good. 5 seeds, cell carrot. Alright, so all menus are showing because the F command is weird. But if we go back down and just where this is, so update, here we go. Now it will only show that bit, but we don't want to see that bit. So if we go up here and then go, wrong one, and go menu, C dot style dot display equals none. So now that isn't working. On course, wallpaper number is 22. Menu C dot style dot display. Cannot read properties of null. So what's going on is, so menu C dot style dot display equals none. Cannot read properties of null. Reading style. Style dot display equals none. So if we just change this to block, will it work? So block. No, what's wrong? Cannot read properties of null, reading style. So menu C, so and then menu C, U menu, and then U menu down here is this. I forgot to add one single capital, so now it's like that. And if I change this to none, here we go, it will all work now, that's gone. And then if we just connect a bunch, as we do now with they're added, we can go down here, and first we will make the buttons appear. So if that function is true, menu C dot style dot display equals block, and then down here filler dot style, that is very wrong. So if we just go filler dot style dot display equals none. And now what else do I have to do? So these one, yeah, it's all. And then else. So else if menu dot style dot display equals none, and menu B dot style dot display triple equals none, then menu C dot style dot display equals none, and then filler style dot display equals block. Okay, and then if we just attach this to all the other ones, the extra menu, so I'll do that now. There we go. Now it's all added. We'll test it, and so let's go down and both. And so here we go. So we've got both the buttons, and what I'm gonna do is add comma to separate it. And now I think that's all we should do for this video. I'll make a second half of this video very soon in the next hour. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment your ideas, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.